Hello FastCap, this is Dennis. Made a small improvement for injection molding. This is the clamps to hold the tie bar in, and this is the original bolt. So we made a little spacer for it. So what it does is you don't have to thread in as much, and when you're pre-threaded, you can you can go like this, and it doesn't go below the surface, and it makes it hard to pre-thread. Also, Tyler put some checker mark there, so you can see it's had a lot better grip. Hello FastCap, so this is the tie bar on the injection molding machine. The old process is used to be using this pipe wrench to hook it on and just turn it, because you can see threaded parts right there. What this tool does is it bites into the material a little bit every time, so we rough up this surface, so we smooth it out, cut a knot, weld it onto it, and now we can use a wrench to actually tighten it. It's faster and it keeps the machine last longer, at least this part does.